In our Draw It Out, we're going to start by choosing 3 events, a beginning, a middle, and an end. Now the small moment, if it was a roller coaster, should be the middle section. So the ride on the roller coaster should really be in the middle. But if you want to start out, you can start out with like where they got on the roller coaster. Not like coming into the amusement park and what all happened that morning, but just they got on the roller coaster, then they come down here, they talk about the ride on the roller coaster, and then maybe the end. Like what happened after they got off the roller coaster, were they excited, were they sick, did they not ever want to go back, anything like that would go here. Now, for the Stretch It Out, you're going to take this and put it over here. So box 1 will go in Stretch It Out 1. And they can draw the picture, maybe with more detail, and then they're going to come down here and they're going to start writing. And this is where you really want to use your sensory details, like what did it sound like, what did it look like, if you were eating anything while you were in line, what were you eating while you were waiting, things like that. Real vivid details, because we want to be there with you, okay? And we also want you to start using sound effects. Like maybe the roller coaster went over your head and you hear bam bam and you hear a bunch of people screaming. So you want to add those here. And you can also use your transition words like first and next and things like that. Then you're going to take box 2 and you're going to use Stretch It Out 2. And of course you're going to do the same thing you did with 1. You're going to take the picture, maybe add more detail, add lots of detail of your roller coaster ride. What happened on the roller coaster? What did you see? How did you feel? Maybe you went up the hill and you screamed as loud as you can, and you might want to put that in all caps, ah, all the way across there. So you want to come full circle with these, and the next one will be 3, Stretch It Out 3. So you're going to take the third box, how it ended, draw a picture, of course add more detail, and down here you might have sighed with relief. Finally, the ride was over. Using your transition words and lots of detail, because we want these moments as realistic as they can be. After we finish that, you're going to want to write your little piece called Meet the Author. Now, Meet the Author is where you're going to write like a mini bio about who you are. Like you're a first grade student,